Hi everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. My name is Rosina, I'm an Avon representative, and today we're going to talk about what's in my campaign 26 order. So let's take a look. So I've ordered a whole bunch of stuff this time, my customers ordered a bunch of stuff this time, so we're just going to unbox it and see what's in it, okay? So just follow along with me and let's check it out. Okay, here we go. So let me just open, I have two boxes here to unbox. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. So this is when my excitement builds up, the day I get my order. It's like, you know, when we're kids and the ice cream truck is rolling down the block and you hear that siren going off and the kids all flock towards it. That's me on order delivery day. So that's how excited I get when I get all my orders. So I really wanted to do this to show you what's in there, to show what the customers are ordering, to show what I'm ordering and what I get in the box, okay? So here we go. So there are lots of different things in here as a matter of fact, so I'm really excited to show this particular shipment to everybody. Okay, so here we go. The first item today is the banana holder fruit basket, okay? So I will show these products to you individually for now, and then later on in other videos you will see me opening them up individually so you can see how that works and how you put this together and so on and so forth. So they have this cute little fruit basket, okay? Let's see, I have in here a 14-piece nesting bowl set. Look at this. These are great, really different sizes. Okay, you can see all the different colors and I love it. So I'll talk about this in one of my other videos, and it's 14 pieces, okay? So let's see. All right, and the next items are set of 4 graters. Wow, cool, check this out. I haven't seen this in person yet, but I think these are pretty cool. They're 4 different ones. You know, so I purchased some things for myself, for my own home. So of course I could use it and, you know, to see what it's like, and I want to try it and I'll do videos about it as well. Okay. Now this is my real excitement when I found out Avon carries this. You have no idea, okay? I love noodles, my husband loves noodles, my little one loves noodles. Now, we don't eat this every day, of course, once in a while, but when I found out that Avon was gonna carry ramen noodles, OMG, I was super excited. So I ordered mild, you know, the spicy one is really good, but a little too spicy, for me anyway. So it comes in mild and it comes in spicy. So I ordered the mild one, which is perfect. Everybody can eat it in my household. It comes in a pack of 5, okay? And again, I'll go over it in another video, all right? Here's the whole entire packet. We've got 2 in here, okay? All right, so let me just open the next box. Actually, there's something else in the bottom of this box. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay, it says, wait, there's more. Okay, let's take a look. Ah, the new brochures that are coming out. There you go, I'll show you a couple of them. All right, campaign 2. What's coming in campaign 2? Sneak peek, look at this. All right, it's a breakthrough care for dry, sensitive skin. And, wow, some samples. I ordered some samples for my customers. So if you get a brochure from me, you're gonna get some samples. If you want some samples, just comment below. You know, let me know if you're, you know, wanting some samples to try this new product. This is a brand new product, all right? And some of the little brochures as well. This also has some good products in it too. All right, so this is what's at the bottom of the box. All right, so I'm gonna open the next box. Just gonna put this all back in here so you can see what's in the next box. The next box is a little bit heavier, okay? So just bear with me because there's lots and lots of products in there. So you can see. All right. go. Okay. All right. Are you ready for this? All right. So let's check this out. Let's check this out. Bubble wrap. Okay. All right. So let me talk about the shampoos first. I know in some of my previous videos I showed it in the book. So these are up close and personal. Okay. These are 6.7 ounces. All right. How cute are these shampoos and conditioners? So there's different ones. Again, this is the Elastine collection. Let's see, what's this? That was cherry blossom. This is avocado and quinoa. Look at this, avocado and quinoa. Okay, pretty cool. Let's see. This one is rosemary and sea salt. Ah, very nice. Volumizing shampoo and conditioner. Pretty cool. All right, let's take a look. What else is in here? Aha. Calming lavender gel beads. If you want to know what's inside, stay tuned and you'll see it later on. All right, so there's lavender and there is fresh cotton. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Dun dun dun. A pineapple core. Okay, I'm actually going to open this because I'm super curious as well. I really wanted to see what this looked like in person, so I'm actually going to open this product now because I couldn't wait. I can't wait. Let's see. So this is a great way to actually, slice your pineapple open. Let's check this out. Oh wow, pretty neat. Pretty neat. Whoa, check this out. Check this out, guys. I hope you can see this on camera. Okay. This is pretty cool, pretty neat, something different, yes. And Avon carries all these products. This whole entire box is from Avon. This is no joke. When people tell me, oh, where did you get that from? And I say I got it from Avon. They look at me like I'm not telling the truth, but Avon has a lot more products than they used to. So it's always great to check out my website, AzraBeautyHub.com, to see what's new. There is something that says what's new. You can go and check it out and see what else is coming up. All right. And this is another thing that I'm glad that Avon brought to Avon. It's a mop stick. Okay, mop stick cleaning products. Okay, it's a mop stick, and I think I have other things in there too that go along with it. I'm not going to open this as yet, but let's take a look. They have the Homestar wet mop cloths. Okay, and then they have the Homestar again, the collection, dry mop cloths. All right. Check this out. So this is a whole cleaning collection that Avon will be launching in campaign 2. This is not out just as yet, okay? I got it as a representative. I get to order these products in advance, so I can show it to you and bring it to you here first as like a sneak peek. So those 3 products are actually a sneak peek, okay? So stay tuned and you'll see more. All right, and ooh, okay. So Homestar product as well, range hood and kitchen degreaser. All right, check this out. All right, powerful removal of stubborn grease stains on range hoods. All right, let's see. What is this? Homestar multi-purpose cleaner. Okay, that says it all. Multi-purpose cleaner. All right, so that's another thing in here. Now guys, remember, I did not order all these products. Some of these products are for my customers who ordered these products. Some things I did, like the ramen noodle, of course, but some of these products are also customer orders as well. Okay, let's take a look. This looks familiar. It matches my shirt. So Avon this year decided to have a Parisian theme for the holidays. How neat is this? It has the Eiffel Tower on my pajamas. And they have an Eiffel Tower theme here as well. This is a 5-piece full-size brush set. This is a makeup brushes, okay? All right, that's pretty cool. I'll be doing the unveiling soon to that one as well. And in addition to that, they have this Dream Life cologne, okay? Cologne spray. I'm gonna be opening that as well, okay? A Parisian theme again. So those are some of the Parisian theme items. I have others you can check out at my website, all right? But I was able to get my hands on a couple of things just to show you here up close and personal. Okay, this is the Ornament collection, Natural Spa, Himalaya Pink Salt Body Scrub and Cleanser. I'm super excited about this because this was actually one of my top products. About 2 months ago or so, I got quite a few handful of orders from these from customers. Check this out. All right, this is one of the newer collections that Avon has introduced recently, the Ornament collection. You see it right there. Okay, so I was super excited to get this, and I had a customer order a similar collection but a different scent. All right, and I'll show that here as well. This is the Dead Sea Salt Body Scrub and Cleanser. All right, the Ornament's Natural Spa collection as well. So here's another one. They have others as well. So these are 2 of them anyway that you see here before you. Let's see what else. Ooh, more Ornament collection. All right, this is also for another customer. So the pink Himalayan pink salt, excuse me. It's the Ornament Natural Spa collection as well. So this is soap. I'm going to open this real quick. I won't open it fully because it's for a customer. But I'm just going to open the box so you can see what's inside. Okay, so this is a soap. It's also another popular item with Avon. It's a popular soap. It smells really good. And I have another one, which is the bamboo charcoal. I'll show this to you right now. Okay, let's see. So this is an exfoliating soap, the bamboo charcoal. Okay, look at this so you can see it. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, it's gray. The other one was pink, you know. So here we go. All right, so this is for customers. I can't really fully open it, but I just wanted to give you an idea what it looks like. All right, in person. This way you can see it. All right, what's next? What's next? All right, so we're winding down the order. Let's see. Holiday makeup applicator ornament. Oh gosh, these are super cute. Look how adorable these are. These make great stocking stuffers. Oh, I couldn't wait to open these. All right, super cute. Look at these guys. Wow. All right, hold on a second. Just bear with me. I'm gonna show this to you up close and personal, and I'll open another one because there's 2 different kinds. All right. Okay. Let's see. Hopefully you can see this front and center. So this is the makeup applicator inside. This is a cute little ornament. Look how cute this is. All right. There we go. All right. Let me open the other one because there's 2 different kinds. Okay. This one is the tree, and this one is the other one. Let's open this up. Let's open this up. Oh, how cute is this? How cute is this? As my little one would say, that's nice. All right, here we go. Check this out. Okay, look at that. Snowman. All right, so look how cute these are, guys. These are great stocking stuffers for the holidays. You can still get them on my website at AzraBeautyHub.com. Okay, you know, be sure to check out what else they have over there as far as stocking stuffers or any gifts. You know, remember, there's always something new that comes out, and you know, I get super excited about it when things come out and all. So I wanted to bring it to you first. Okay, so let's take a look at what else is in here. More stocking stuffers. Okay, so these are really cute. Every year Avon comes out with this holiday edition of the mini hand creams. So they come in different ones. All right, so this one is a moisture therapy intensive healing and repair. Okay, for someone who has very dry skin. All right, this one is for moisturization, makes skin softer and smoother. It's the Vita Moist collection. All right, and this one is silicone glove, so protective hand cream. All right, and this one is to soften and protect against dryness. All right, so these are 3 different ones. Holiday edition, limited time only. All right, And last but not least, the lip balms. Holiday edition. Look how cute these are. Little lip balms, holiday edition. Each one are different one. This one is sugar cookie. Okay. All right. This one is marshmallow. All right. This one is buttercream. All right. They make great stocking stuffers. You know, you want to add a little extra something to it. And candy cane. Look how cute these are, guys. Look at this. How cute are they? So this pretty much wraps up my unboxing, and of course I have my little invoice that comes in there with it. You can find all these products at AzraBeautyHub.com. I love unboxing this. This is my first unboxing with you guys. So if you want more unboxing later on, just comment below. Let me know what you're thinking about this video. Let me know what else you want to see. If there are any products you're not sure about and you say, Rosina, I'd like to see this product. I want you to do a review on it. Let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to do it. I have not a problem doing that. I love Avon products, but you know, there are products sometimes that it doesn't work for me, but remember, it could work for you, okay? So if I say that I personally did not like this product, remember, it could work for you. It might not work for me, okay? So if you haven't done so already, be sure to check out AzraBeautyHub.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, like. If you're looking to become an Avon representative, again, AzraBeautyHub.com, click on Become a Representative. It takes 5 minutes to sign up, really. It's $0 to start right now, no money, you don't have to pay anything for it. You get a free website, you get virtual training tools. It's now through the end of the year, so take advantage of that if you're looking to earn extra income starting now or early next year. So sign up now so this way you can get going with that income. Till next time, have a great day and always keep smiling.